Today, we're diving into exciting opportunities in artificial intelligence, or AI. It's amazing how AI is transforming industries and creating new possibilities. Let's start with healthcare, Rana. How is AI making a difference there? AI is truly revolutionizing healthcare in several ways. For example, AI-driven diagnostics help doctors diagnose diseases more quickly and accurately. Think of it as having a super smart assistant that never gets tired, helping doctors make better decisions. That's fascinating. And there's also personalized medicine. AI can predict which treatments are most effective for individual patients. It's like having a custom-fit treatment just for you.
Exactly. And AI is also streamlining administrative tasks. By automating things like scheduling and record keeping, healthcare professionals have more time to focus on patients rather than paperwork.
Moving on to finance, AI plays a critical role there too. Take fraud detection, for example. Machine learning algorithms can spot unusual patterns in transactions, helping to catch fraud before it happens.
That's right. And in trading, AI enables faster, more efficient decisions through algorithmic trading, which optimizes financial operations automatically. Plus, AI chatbots are improving customer service by providing 24/7 support.
Retail is another area where AI shines, isn't it? Personalized recommendations enhance shopping experiences by suggesting products based on customer data.
Yes, and predictive analytics helps retailers manage inventory more effectively, reducing waste and keeping products available. Not to mention automated checkout systems that help reduce queues and improve satisfaction.
AI is not just about established industries, though. Startups and entrepreneurs are also leveraging AI to innovate. New businesses use AI to develop cutting-edge products and services.
And there's a growing opportunity for venture capital investments in AI-driven startups. As AI technology evolves, new ideas and solutions continue to emerge.
Research and development are crucial to AI's progress. Fields like natural language processing and computer vision are advancing rapidly thanks to AI.
Indeed, AI is empowering scientific research by accelerating data analysis and simulations, leading to faster discoveries in various fields.
Now let's talk about workforce implications. AI is creating new job roles like AI development and data analysis, and there's a rising demand for AI-focused education programs.
Upskilling is vital, ensuring professionals are equipped to work with AI tools. AI's integration across different fields such as medicine and law opens up diverse career opportunities.
Beyond industries, AI impacts real-world issues like climate modeling for better resource management. It also supports smart farming, promoting sustainability and food security.
And AI contributes to social good by improving accessibility for individuals with disabilities and enhancing disaster response strategies with predictive analytics.
In conclusion, AI offers vast opportunities across sectors by driving change and innovation. By understanding AI's capabilities, we can harness its potential for future growth and societal benefits.
Absolutely, Sarah. Let's stay curious and continue exploring how AI can shape a better future for everyone.
Today, we're diving into some really exciting opportunities that AI presents for various industries. AI is making waves by boosting efficiency, facilitating smart decisions, and driving innovation. Let's break these down, shall we?
Absolutely. Starting with efficiency, AI is like the ultimate helper in the workplace. It automates repetitive tasks, which saves a lot of time and money for organizations. Imagine a big company like JP Morgan Chase. They use AI to review commercial loan agreements. What used to take hours or even days, AI now does in seconds.
That's impressive, Rana. And it doesn't stop at efficiency. AI is also enhancing decision-making by providing data-driven insights. With AI, organizations can analyze colossal amounts of data quickly, spotting patterns humans might miss. Take HSBC, for instance. They use AI to detect fraud by sifting through transaction data in real time, spotting suspicious activities before they become a problem.
Right, and AI goes further by fostering innovation. It's not just about improving what's already there, it's about creating new possibilities. Look at Bank of America's virtual assistant, Erica. It helps with account management, payments, and even gives financial advice. That's AI opening up new ways to engage customers.
So we see AI's practical applications all around us. In Los Angeles, chatbots handle city service inquiries, making responses quicker and easing the load on staff. Then you have the UK Department for Transport using AI to predict road conditions, which helps maintain road safety. And in Singapore, AI helps navigate government services, ensuring citizens get the right information when needed.
AI's relevance is clear in these examples. It enhances efficiency, supports informed decisions, and drives new innovations. By leveraging AI, organizations can improve service delivery and customer satisfaction. It's about meeting today's challenges and preparing for tomorrow's needs.
Exactly, embracing AI opens so many doors for future growth and success. It positions businesses to thrive in a dynamic environment. So, next time you think about AI, remember it's not just a futuristic concept, it's a powerful, practical tool available now.
And on that note, let's explore how AI continues to evolve and what that means for future opportunities.
Let's dive into how AI is reshaping job opportunities, starting with automating repetitive tasks. AI excels at handling tasks with clear, predictable patterns like data entry or scheduling. Have you ever wondered how much time we spend on these routine activities?
It's fascinating, Sarah. Automating these tasks with AI not only saves time, but also allows people to focus on more complex and rewarding work. Imagine using AI for basic customer service queries, leaving human agents to handle unique concerns requiring empathy and creativity.
Exactly. This shift enhances efficiency across organizations. Employees can engage in strategic planning or creative problem solving, fostering personal growth and workplace innovation.
Speaking of innovation, AI technology is creating new job roles. With more AI systems in play, there's a demand for professionals who can manage and support these technologies. Do you know what kinds of roles are emerging?
Absolutely, roles like data labeling and data classification are popping up. They're essential for preparing data that AI systems rely on. It's like providing the right ingredients for a recipe to ensure a delicious outcome.
These roles matter because they help AI systems work effectively and improve over time. They bridge the gap between raw data and actionable insights, driving AI advancements further.
Not only are these roles emerging, but different regions also bring unique capabilities to AI development. For instance, regions proficient in multiple languages often focus on areas like sentiment analysis or natural language processing.
That's right. Leveraging local strengths enables regions to contribute distinct expertise to the global AI landscape, allowing for specialization in areas that align with their strengths.
AI also sparks creativity, not just by automating tasks, but by supporting roles that demand innovative thinking. Companies now use AI in developing business strategies and designing cutting edge products, fueling creative exploration.
By incorporating AI, organizations promote innovation and adapt to new technologies, gaining a competitive edge. It's about blending technology with human ingenuity for greater outcomes.
When planning careers, understanding AI's impact on job markets is key. While AI brings challenges, it also opens doors to numerous opportunities across various industries.
And to thrive in these AI roles, a mix of technical and creative skills is crucial. Staying adaptable and committed to lifelong learning helps keep up with rapid technological changes.
Exactly, Rana. Embracing continuous learning ensures you remain competitive and ready for the opportunities AI presents. As we wrap up, remember to keep nurturing curiosity and honing skills.
A great approach to staying ahead. Next, we'll explore how AI intersects with ethical considerations, a vital aspect of its evolution.